Hello, I just got a drop now from Kingsley Publishers. Can you see I'm so excited to open it? I'm using Isa's scissors.
Scissor safety.
Scissor safety rules. Anyway, so I see Kingsley Publishers is from the name, I'm sure if you can tell, it's a book. Why are you laughing?
I'm listening to you.
What is I saying? It's a book publishing company. Okay. So I need to expand further. Do you know what's a book publishing company? You know what a book publishing company does?
Who are you talking to?
You!
The viewers or to me?
At the moment, there's no viewers. He says, my viewer. How cute is this? Publisher, sorry. This is a publishing company for authors all around the world, because we recently, recently did a cover reveal for an Australian author, if I'm not mistaken. Where's it? Oh. And that book, that person's name is Jess Kitching, I think. Now, okay. I thought it would just open like that and then you can see what's inside. So are you ready to see what's inside?
We're ready to see inside.
Okay, so Kingsley Publishers, let's see what they gave us. Oh, beautiful. So this is the book we did the cover reveal for. It's called The Girl She Was Before by Jess Kitching. I believe she is an Australian author. I just want to quickly double check that. I can't see right now. But this is the book. This book is coming out I think end of October, if I'm not mistaken again. Okay, so it feels so good. Feels nice. Have that soft new book feel. I want to just quickly do that. Almost smooth and velvety. That's the word I'm looking for, actually. Okay. Anyway, can't wait to read this. And it looks like there's another book here. It says All Men Love Leah. It also has such a lovely velvety feel. I wonder if it's their signature, Kingsley Publishers' signature, to have like a smooth velvety feel for their books. Okay, there's a little Dear Litscapers team. So Litscapers is the virtual book club that I'm a part of. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook at Litscape. So Twitter and Instagram is at Litscapers. It's this word here, Litscapers. Our hashtag is hashtag Litscape without the RS. And on Facebook we have a page it's called Litscape Book Club, and we have a Facebook group as well. It's called Litscape Virtual Book Club Brunch. Books and Brunch or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Please forgive me. I haven't. It's just recently made the Facebook group. So they have just a little letter for us here. Okay, I'll go through that just now. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, lovely. So it's bookmark, and it has The Girl She Was Before on it. Okay. And from Woolworths, instant honey nut flavored latte, yummy, yummy, to enjoy while we're reading our book. And I see some little sweeties here. They look like little, it says caramello. Cute. Ooh, so many sweeties. They look like little fudge. But I think they little toffees, isn't it? This is toffee. And what a cute little pencil. Oh wow. Okay, look at the pencil. It's so colorful. And then the nib. Can you see it properly? Can you see it? Oh, I wonder how it writes. Anyway. Oh, wait, let's try it here. Here. I'm going to write it backwards, sorry. I'm writing upside down. You can see I'm so gifted.
But you wrote let's cake.
What?
The P is backwards.
Oh man, I thought I was gifted. But I made it so far. Hey.
Other way. P down.
This way.
Yeah.
Oh, oops. Okay, there we go. How cute is that? So you can see how it writes.
Very
It's
cool.
got different colors, and then when I underline, then you can see the red and the purple. Anyway, and this lemon verbena made with a mineral-rich seaweed base. What is this? Oh, it smells so nice and lemony. Jelly soap. Jelly soap. Some more words. Sorry, it's a vegan. That's so cool. It's really cool. It's tear off a small piece of the jelly. Tear off a small piece of the jelly soap and work it into a lather with a loofah, washcloth or sponge, or once in the shower or bath, remove the jelly soap from the container and rub directly onto the skin. This is the first time I've ever seen something like this. I'm a bit intrigued. So anyone who is interested in vegan products, it's vegan and it can be found at Woolworths. It's called lemon verbena. I don't know how to pronounce that. Made with a mineral-rich seaweed base. It smells really nice and lemony. Okay, thank you so much, Kingsley Publishing, for this beautiful drop. And I can't wait to use this lovely smelling soap, jelly soap, and drink this and have the sweeties and read these two books. This is a bookmark. Thank you so much once again to Kingsley Publishers. I'm Nabihah. I'm originally from iloveza.com, the co-founder of iloveza.com, and this is for our Litscape virtual book club, #Litscape, and I'm Nabihah once again from I Love ZA.